Hi, this is Sir Romy again. This is my first video on the most essential learning competencies, and my topic for today is about factoring polynomials, particularly how to factor polynomials, as terms have become on monomial factor. Now, what is factoring? Factoring is the reverse process of multiplying polynomials. Kabaligtaran ng pagmamultiply natin ng polynomials nung dati pa. So, when we say to factor a number, like for example 6 is equals to 3 times 2. 6 is the product, and 3 times 2 is our factors. So they are factors. Kabaligtaran. Dati 3 times 2 equals 6. Ngayon naman ang 6 hinahanapan natin ng factors. Now, factoring a polynomial means writing it as a product of other polynomials. Okay, let's take for example negative 8r negative 12. Okay, what are the factors? Anong sabi ko sa inyo? Uunahin niyo muna yung number, yung numerical coefficients. Okay, since negative is common, ilabas mo ngayon ang negative. Okay, next. Anong common sa 8 saka 12? 2. Pwede. Pero, we are looking for the GCF, the greatest common factor. Meron pa bang mas mataas sa 2? Okay, 4. Pwede. 4. Okay, R. May common bang R? Wala. Kasi sa kabilang term, walang R. So, hindi common ang R. Tandaan mo, pag wala sa kabila, hindi common yan. Okay, so anong factor mo ngayon? Negative 4 lang. Wala nang variable. Ngayon, i-divide mo ngayon itong negative 8r minus 12 sa negative 4. Negative by negative, magiging positive. Huwag mo na isulat. 8 divided by 4 is 2. R divided by wala. So, R pa rin. So, kopyahin mo lang. Negative divided by negative, positive. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, wala na. So, this will be your factors. So, ito yung answer. Okay, that's it.